next one, which is personification. Personification is when you give an animal or object the qualities or abilities that only a human can have. Now, let's see its example. My alarm clock yells at me every morning. Here you can see that the word yell is actually used for human beings because it is the quality that humans have. They yell at each other, do they? Yes. So the clock is a non-living thing and it does not yell, but it is being given the quality of a human being. So this makes it a personification. Now, let's come to the last literary device, which is a simile. A simile makes comparison, showing similarities between two different things by using words like or as. Let's see the first example, which is he swims like a fish. In this example, he and fish are two different things. And they are showing the similarity between them, that is, that they swim in the same way. Let's see another example, that is, pizza is as cold as ice. Now, pizza and ice are two different things, but they are comparing them with the word as cold as, showing the similarity that it is cold. Now that you have come to know about these literary devices, let's do the activity on page 5. You have to discuss all the literary terms mentioned. You can either do it with your sister or any other member in your family and then learn it by heart. Thank you.